Is AI about to ruin wholesaling real estate investing? Before I dive into this topic, what is going on, everybody? I hope and pray that y'all are all doing incredibly well. Please like, subscribe, hit those notifications, all of those amazing things. And on this video, I want to talk about the incredible, powerful tool of AI. You can't turn on any social media platform, YouTube, right, and not hear somebody say something about AI, even when it comes to real estate investing. But here's the thing, if you're not careful, it can actually ruin your wholesaling deals, all right? Real estate investing specifically is a relationship-based business, right? And when you go and start incorporating AI, I need you to know, number one, that AI is a tool, not a skill per se, right? When you use AI, it doesn't build confidence. It doesn't read sellers' tones. It doesn't feel emotion, right? In fact, did you know that now there's more AI content being put out on social media platforms than there are actual true human content? So FYI, I'm a real person. Let me kind of pinch myself there, right? This isn't an AI YouTube channel, right? And when you start to do that, now people are going to be a lot more leery, right? I don't know about y'all, but I'm already kind of tired of seeing some of the AI videos. Like, it's kind of getting outrageous at some point. Your sellers are feeling the same way, right? So they need to know, number two, that you're a real person, right? So you don't want to hide behind AI. You don't want AI to be a crutch, all right? You want to be able to leverage it and use it, right? But still making sure that you're getting on the phones with sellers, that you're actually having quality conversations. In fact, if you're able to go and actually run properties in person, you 100% should. Think about somebody like me that has a virtual operation, and I do this completely virtual. I have a lot more that I need to overcome in regards to building trust and rapport. But if you or somebody in their backyard that goes and sits with them, that goes and has a conversation with them and sees them belly to belly, eye to eye, you are going to build a lot more trust and rapport than I am over the phone, okay? Not only that, but I found that when you go and actually meet the sellers in person, you typically get these properties at a much bigger deal, right? And another reason why I think that AI could potentially harm wholesaling is that everybody starts to sound the same, right? You're going into AI, you're writing cold calling scripts, you're writing text messaging scripts, you're writing the same follow-up messages, the same phrases, the same structure, right? Everybody that's using AI is not going to stand out, right? They need to know that you are different from everybody else. What's going to differentiate your text message from the other person's text message that sends AI, right? And my messages too, now, just for example, I let them know, like, hey, this isn't AI, this is a real person. I just want to touch bases with you to see if you're open to a cash offer on your property. You'll be surprised the response that we're starting to get just from doing things like that. So just be mindful as everybody's trying to sell you these incredible AI platforms, and you're going to Chat and Perplexity and all of the other AI platforms that are out there. Just be careful to where you don't end up sounding like everybody else and it ends up doing you more harm than good, okay? AI cannot replace human interaction in building true trust and rapport. So I hope this was helpful. I just kind of wanted to shine a different light on some of these AI platforms so you don't get caught up in that whole whirlwind of things. But y'all have a blessed one. See you on the next one.